NFT, 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 NFT. What the hell is NFT and why is this JPEG selling for $69 million? But first, who am I? Hi, I'm Digvijay and I'm an artist by heart and an entrepreneur by mind. Recently something important, something interesting popped up in our world. 3 little letters, NFT. NFTs are bringing a change in the internet on the same scale as social media did back in the early 2000s. And the early adopters to social media were able to grow these brands and follow their actual passions and make them their full-time jobs. NFTs are going to let you do the same thing with your art. The technology of the NFTs are going to allow nurses, cashiers, plumbers, housewives and dads, artists to make a full-time living and grow a really tight-knit community around art and community. And I want you to be at the front of this wave. But there is so much more to it than even the NFTs bring with it. Utility, decentralized trade, digital collectible, aligned communities, royalties, and a connection on a level never seen before. NFT is used mostly for art, music, and gaming. So at the moment, these are the driving factors for NFT. Since we have increasingly become more independent on the internet, especially after the pandemic, so it takes time for adoption and also there is plenty of room for growth. And you would say, the sky is the limit! It's so exciting, but like any new technology, there's always gonna be a dark side to it. The hype, the NFT mania, the absolute craziness going on out there. It gives a rise to a lot of question and confusion, overpriced assets and artwork, and the most important, scams. I hate scams. So I'm here to shed the light on the dark side and make sure you're not confused or uneducated and fall into the wrong side of this new technology. This video and the upcoming videos are designed to really clear any confusion that you have and to go on this fun adventure together into this new world of technology with confidence and a new understanding. In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss about the NFT, the marketplace, how you can create the NFT and how to make the most of this NFT era. So buckle up and ride along.